Bangladesh is a potential country in South Asia. It is one of the most disaster-prone nations. In recent years, the risk has been intensified further due to climate change, especially in coastal hard-to-reach areas. 6 different geographic categories, namely Barind, Bil, Chor, Coast, Haur and hilly areas, are identified as hard-to-reach areas, existing 1,144 unions of 257 upazilas under 50 districts in Bangladesh. I am from the coastal area and like to share its wash situation. Coastal area is affected by natural calamities like cyclone, floods, riverbank erosion, storm surge in almost every year. The adverse effects of climate change, such as monsoon tides, heavy rainfall, and salinity intrusion, are very threatening to the coastal biodiversity, human health and sanitation system, as well as affecting both surface and groundwater sources. In the coastal hard-to-reach areas, people suffer a lot due to salinity and scarcity of fresh water. Women have to face drinking water from a long distance, where there is a risk of violence and suffer from hygiene issues. People living here suffer from malnutrition and different waterborne diseases. Nationally, 1% people of Bangladesh defecating in open space. When disaster like tidal surge, inundation of lowlands and offshore islands happen. Water and sanitation infrastructure is damaged, destroyed and washed away. Latrines are filled up by sand or soil carried by flood or high tide water. Different organizations and government have taken initiatives to address the issues in following ways. House along with individual or community type drinking water and sanitation infrastructure are constructed on raised grounds. Community and individual level water ponds are excavated. Rainwater harvesting with underground reservoirs have been constructed on highlands. Example, cyclone shelters, schools, office buildings, marketplace, etc. for community water supply. Cyclone shelter and latrines are being built suitable for persons with disability. People are being made aware to use hand wash kits and sanitary tools. Locally, sanitary tools are made and being used. Transportation infrastructure, which are an integral part of development of coastal hard-to-reach areas, have been improved. As the people are being aware of personal health and hygiene, we are optimistic to improve the situation. Present government, especially the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, is committed to cover 100% sanitation by 2030. We hope the government will take necessary steps to overcome the wash-related challenges.